Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can make a stand in Please Donate in Roblox. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. So in order to make stand in Roblox, you need to have something you have to sell. So over here, if I go and claim a stand, if I don't have anything to sell, then nothing is going to happen, alright? So first I need to create something to sell. And to create something to sell, you need to first come to roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox, and log in into your account. The easiest way to sell something on Roblox is to create Game Pass. For this, once you go to roblox.com, go on where it says create. Type create, we are going to create ourselves a game pass. Now over here, you need to go on this page. Okay. Now once you're over here, you need to choose a game. So I'm just going to choose my game called Untitled Game, but you can choose any game you want. Once you're inside the game, you can click on where it says associated items, and once you're inside associated items, you want to go on passes, and from over here you want to click on create a pass. Once you click on create a pass, a game pass will be created. Now over here you can upload an image if you want to, but if you don't want to, you can leave it empty. I'm just going to name this free. I'm going to leave the description empty, but you can fill it if you want to. Click on create pass and your game pass will be created. Now just because your game pass is created doesn't mean you can sell it. It says off sale. So what I need to do is go inside the game pass. Inside game pass, I need to go on the sales section. Inside the sales section, I need to turn on item for sales and then enter a price. So I'm going to sell it for 50 Robux. And remember that Roblox is going to take 30% tax, which means I'm going to only receive 35 Robux out of 50. So I'll click and save changes. Once this is done, I can close the website and open my Roblox game again. Now inside Roblox game, I can go into a stand which is empty. So I'm trying to find myself a stand which has not been used and is empty. So let me search for it real quick. And as you guys can see, this is the stand which is empty. So I can go near the stand and click on E to claim it. Once I claim it, I need to click on OK, got it. Now let me show you over here that my thing is being sold. And just like this, the game pass which I created will be available to be sold over here. Now my game pass is not being shown over here because in order for that to be shown, I need to close my Roblox game and reopen it again because I just created it. So for this to be effective, I need to close my Roblox and open it again. But by following my step, you should be able to sell anything over here. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.